Akbar! Allah Akbar! Hello, it's Pete Butcher and I welcome you to my new video and my new friends. Can you imagine? Can you imagine you? And I image KAL. Hello. Alles klar, Digga! Ja, meine neuen Freunde, Reddit leider nicht so gern, aber wir fangen mal an. Okay guys, new lobby. New lobby and we join the old lobby! No, we lose B again.
No way!
No way!
How did we lose B? Oh, this guy.
What a start from me. I'm the best player. And then this. What the fuck?
WTF? Yes!
What? Yes! Are you fucking kidding me?
I won.
Angriffseinheit erledigt.
Yes!
Halbzeit.
Alles klar.
Ja, klar.
Cringe.
Leave the lobby. Leave the lobby.
This is good lobby.
Would you leave the lobby?
No. It's a joke, man.
I've got a headache. I've got a headache. I'm gonna die.
No. Lobby Hosten gescheitert, you know?
What?
The lobby failed, man.
Interface no longer available.
Hey man, are you okay?
I can't breathe.
Are you a dog?
Gaiden, you okay? Gaiden, you okay?
Oh, the dizzy blood.
Stronghold,
Gaiden.
Stronghold, please. Stronghold is in
Gaiden.
the Switzerland.
Gaiden, you okay?
Kaden, you okay? What the fuck is this lobby? No way, this is good lobby.
WTF.
That was good.
No, it's not. You're getting beat by. Someone's got 544.
Gaiden, you okay? Gaiden, sure you're okay?
Please, oh, it's good.
Gaiden, you okay?
Butcher, leave this lobby.
What?
What'd you say with a Russian accent? I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Oh, I pissed myself.
Okay.
Jane, you okay? Gaiden! Gaiden, calm down.
Science, when you play Call of Duty,
Science.
science.
What did you say, son?
Darling.
Oh.
Go play some hardcore.
Charlie ist abgesichert.
Do you play Advanced Warfare, Ghost, Black Ops 2?
Ghost is the best game, best COD ever.
What the fuck, I'm out. Bye.
Bravo gesichert.
What? What's wrong with Ghosts?
Yeah, Ghost is the best.
Ghost is good.
Ghost is
Warfare,
really
Ghost is
bad.
amazing.
Ghost is good.
No.
Dogs in it. There's nice cute little doggies in there.
Wir verlieren B.
Goes to the
I like
best
the
con
dog.
ever made.
I told you. This COD is shit.
Yeah, this is the worst card.
Wir verlieren Charlie.
Help me.
Oh, you're going to
Don't die, please. We need A.
Don't die.
This is worse
Get
than
A
Jaden's
then.
birth.
Get A.
I have 6-0. No! What the fuck?
Feist abgesichert.
What are you doing? I die 1 for hater,
Well
man.
done, Booker.
No.
No.
You're one off rats, Booker. You were one off rats.
Rapper's wheel.
Drohne nähert.
Where's this motherfucker at, man?
You call him Butcher?
I rap, yeah.
Isn't it?
I rap you and me. Me and you are the team, man. What the fuck are the best rapper?
You drunk?
Drunk?
Jaden, what you on about, you weirdo?
Do you play zombies?
Aktuelle Position halten.
Zombie, yeah.
Yeah, Shadows of Evil.
Yeah, man, you know.
Trust me, daddy.
Verbündeter Cerberus unter.
Gaiden, you okay?
Gaiden, you are okay?
Wir verlieren Alpha.
Gaiden! Gaiden! Dinner time. Gaiden, dinner time.
Charlie.
Shut up.
Gaiden, you're gay?
Nanda Toaster.
Toaster? You are toasty? You are tasty?
Das war's für Sie.
He's been tasting you, Jaden.
Gesichert.
Jeez, Jaden, what do you do in your spare time?
See.
He does you in his spare time.
Alle Orte gesichert. Aktuelle Position halten. Wir verlieren A.
No, we can't lose Alpha. We lost Alpha, why go so shit?
No,
Only
Alpha.
one is Charlie.
Jaden, stop saying it!
Wir verlieren
Butcher.
Charlie.
Get A.
He said it.
Choose the why don't you?
Okay, okay, okay.
You know the zombie map Der Eisendrache?
No!
Do you can say that? Eisendrache? Do you can say that?
Eisendrache.
Yeah, my name is also so. P. Bucher, not Cher. Ger. P. Bucher. Can you say that?
The Boeger, his name's the Boeger.
Yeah, man.
Fucking Boeger.
Yeah, man.
Butcher.
No!
Can I call you Butcher?
Bucher.
No, his name's Boeger. Like Booker T.
Bucher T?
Yeah.
Yeah, face Booker.
He's Gaden's favourite rapper. Gaden loves Booker T.
Yes!
Mal und danach.
Why are you say yes?
Eat, man. Jesus Christ. This guy munches.
Sichern A. Wir verlieren Charlie. Alle
In the
Orte
bloody
gesichert.
game?
Position
Guy.
So, meine lieben Abonnenten, das Video ist gerade fertig. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Mein behinderter neuer englischer Teammate hat jetzt einfach Raps Vorrat bekommen. Wenn ihr wollt weitere Folgen sehen, will ich einfach in ein paar
Nein.
Lobbys joinen. Also besser gesagt, Sprachchat joinen.
Verausgabt euch nicht.
Dann gebt doch ein Like da. Und ich werde es weiterhin machen und game einfach so mit Randoms. Bis zum nächsten Mal.